Hola, mi nombre es Luis. Today, we're going to learn how to conjugate the R verbs of Espanol. First, let's identify what are the R verbs. Here is the example of R verbs. First is hablar, estudiar, tocar, usar, bailar, practicar, enseñar, dibujar, caminar, cantar, escuchar, comprar. Those are the sample of our verbs. As you can see, all of the endings in these words are end with the AR or R. Those are the meaning of our verbs. First is hablar is to speak, then to study, to play, to use, to dance, to practice, to teach, to draw, to walk, to sing, to listen, and to buy. After knowing what are the R verbs, let's move on to conjugation. In conjugation, the R verbs changes is depend on the pronombre or the pronouns. The pronombres are the you, tú, usted or ustedes, vosotros, ella, él, nosotros or nosotras, ellas, and ellos. The R verbs will be change its ending depends on pronombres or pronouns. For example, yo. The ending will be O. The letter AR will be changed in O. The same things as tú, and the ending is AS. The ustedes or ustedes is an. Vosotros and vosotras and vosotras will be ice, ella will be a, él will be also a, nosotros or nosotras will be amos, then ellas or ellos will be an. So here is our example. Our word for today is cantar, means is to sing. When I say I sing, we were not going to say yo cantar. We're going to change the R in O because I used the word yo. So instead, yo cantar, we're going to use this as yo canto because the AR will be changed in O. Same as where if we are going to use the word tú, we cannot say tú cantar. We must change the endings with AS because we are using the word tú. So the combination will be tú cantas. Same as the L, for example, él canta because the AR will be changed with A. Then in nosotros or nosotras, we will say nosotros contamos. In vosotras, vosotras cantáis. And ellas will be ellas cantan. In the conclusion, we are going to change the AR letter in the ending of the R verbs depends on the pronombres or pronouns. Now let's have a practice. You translate the English I say into Espanol. First is I study. Very good. Next is you play. Very good. Next is I draw. Very well. And next is we walk. Very good. And lastly is you all listen. Very good. I hope you learned something. Gracias. Adios.